When it gets cold, sometimes you need a jacket that is more about function than fashion. It's essential, especially if your job or pastime activities are around such areas. Inspired by military apparel, a tactical jacket goes above and beyond what a conventional coat can do. This jacket performs admirably in inclement weather, keeping you warm and functional. Even if you're a non-military person who likes to spend time in the great outdoors, it's vital apparel to have. After scouring the web and studying top manufacturers to compile a list of the best tactical jackets available, here are our top 5.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so that viewer can make their proper decision.
Rothko introduces a concealed carry soft-shell combat jacket. This soft, flexible tactical jacket with outstanding features deflects wind, wicks away moisture, and maintains heat, keeping you warm and dry. It contains 2 universal hook and loop handgun pockets on the outside and 4 inner hook and loop flap closure mag pouches on the inside, making it ideal for concealed carry. It has 2 slash chest pockets with a high-rise zipper, a wear pass report, and a D-ring for attaching keys. Additional pockets include a zipper forearm pocket for small items and a double-zippered mesh back pocket for vital documents and other essentials. A 2-way zipper, a removable dry string hood situated under the collar, underarm ventilation zippers, and an adjustable drawstring waist complete this jacket. It makes no difference whether you are in a war situation or a pleasure user. Rothko will feed the last bargain of many with good ratings and people waiting for it. So if you're looking for a tactical jacket, this will be right for you. The Responder jacket is made by NYCO, a nylon-cotton combination that is 50-50. This fabric has been battle tested and is military-chosen uniform fabric. The nylon delivers unmatched strength and durability while the cotton provides breathable comfort. The jacket also features strategically placed stretch woven softshell portions, which allows you a more personalized fit and more freedom of movement. The jacket is upgraded with coated neoprene armor protection to prevent shooter abrasion while wearing a pack. The armor is equipped with a laser-cut military mold design for attaching attachments and extra gear. Lastly, this jacket is accomplished with YKK premium zippers. It has 10 pockets in total, 2 zipper chest pockets and 2 fast access magnetic closer chest pockets, which is ideal for transporting anything you want to keep secret but easily accessible. Also, 2 fully lined hand warmer pockets, 1 conceals a hidden zipper pocket, 1 bicep pocket, 1 lower sleeve concealed pocket, and 1 giant rear zippered kangaroo type pocket. Great for storing additional garments like gloves or hat and even large enough to fit a tablet. There's a large shooter looper patch and a chest velcro name tag. A brushed tricot line stand-up collar for comfort and warmth. Several reinforcement points with bar tacks and gunmetal rivets drop with the hem for increased coverage, and side zippers for access to pant pockets and belt-mounted everyday carry. When unzipped, the side zipper gives seated comfort and breathability, so without any hesitation, you can have this masterpiece. Rothko is world's leading military tactical outdoor clothes and gear provider, now making the Special Ops Tactical Softshell jacket. This jacket has 3 layers that deflect wind, remove moisture, and maintain body heat, all with a waterproof polisher outer cover. The tactical jacket also has a versatile hood concealed with a zipper pocket in the collar end, which you can entirely disconnect from the jacket. Rothko softshell jacket highlights include a vented zipper under each arm, 4x4 loop side of hook and loop on each shooter, 4 patch attachment drawstring waist elastic hook, and wrist cuffs are loops adjustable. The Rothko Special Ops Tactical Softshell jacket is a quality addition to the Rothko lineup. Moreover, this jacket has earned good reviews and ratings from the customers. TRU-SPEC tactical jacket is top-notch quality, created in another country and features a 90% nylon and 10% spandex construction. This crucial and high-quality jacket was made with men's body forms front and center during the design process. Because it comes with a sufficient number of compartments for storage, you will be able to transport all of the necessary accessories. This wind and water resistant jacket has a durable design that comes up with DWR and has a plush lining. It allows sufficient space for a ballistics vest appropriate for professional in-armed forces. It has a hook and loop self-fabric cuff closure, and it also has a one-hand cord locked drawstring to pull the jacket in without causing knots. Additionally, there's a stowaway hood for you to use if it rains heavily. This jacket offers an excellent value for its professional wearability. The Condor's Men Alpha Tactical Fleece Jacket is made strong for your protection. When on duty, this jacket keeps you warm. The outer shell of this jacket is made of 100% polyester fleece and wraps you in comfort without hindering your movement. This jacket can survive the wear and tear of your hard-working lifestyle thanks to its abrasion-resistant collar, shooters, and forearms. You'll have secure adjustable feet thanks to the complete front double zipper and drawstring waistline, and it will protect your hands. Thanks to the 2-inch extendable sleeves and thumb holes. With a vertical chest pocket, a shooter pocket, and 2 hand pockets, ideal for identification patches, this jacket has various storage options for your daily care. This coat has 2 patch panels in the shooters. This tactical jacket is ideal for police, security, military, EMTs, and paintball.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.